Now, we know that dancers have to be artistic athletes. They must work every muscle in their body, fine-tune it, ready to transfer into the classroom. CrossFit training, such as PBT, is such an advantage if the students do it right and bring these feelings into the classroom. Now, the male dancer has to have a very strong upper body because you've got to lift those girls up here and do the pressages and all that. So we really need to activate all the deep interwoven muscles that are in the back to protect artistic athletes, and back, right, round and over. Good, that's the first section. Second section, we transfer the weight and turn, and then penché well forward, lengthen, and cambre, keeping the shoulders equal. Excellent work, Jye. Feelings in the body. And this one really gets into the deep hamstrings, doesn't it? And you know, without the deep hamstrings active and elongated, you can't hold your leg up. Yeah? Roll through and extend. And just roll the head, relax and take a breath. So the need to take the time to do slow stretches, not before class, but right at the end of the day when you're very warm. Just right, giving those obliques a lovely elongation. Good. Well done. Good work. Yeah, little by little,